Book's name Kalki Puran, Adhyay number 3 and Slok number 33. Vishaka Jupo Pavanato Vishaka Slok number 39. Vishakha Jupo Dodrishe Chandrang Taragonirivo Puradbohi Surirasme Chandramucho Sawasetam. Vishakha Juk saw him and he saw as the star is surrounded, as we see the moon surround the stars, the Kalki is there, such that. And at that time, the king Vishakajuk worshipped to Kalki and pranammed to Kalki. That Vishakajuk was Vaishnava, that is Vishnu Bhakta. We know there are different kinds of Bhakta, such as Shaiva, who worship Shiv, that is Shakta, who worship Kali, Shakti, that is Sauro, who worship Surya, and who worships Vishnu, that is Vaishnava, extra. We saw the different kinds of Bhakta. They demand that they are Vaishnava. How they are Vaishnava? They do not worship the Vishnu. Vishnu means Kalki. They do not worship that Vishnu or Kalki, but they demanded that they are Vishnu. Why they demand? We did not understand it. They said that Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, that is the mantra of Shakta, Tripureshwari mantra, Shakta mantra. They worshipped that, but they said they are Vaishnava. How they are Vaishnava? I do not understand it. We do not understand it. They say that they are Vaishnava because they worshipped Radha. If we discuss about Radha, they worshipped the Bhagavad, Srimad Bhagavad, 10 Skandha Srimad Bhagavad. If you write that Bhagavad, if you discuss that Bhagavad, there is no Radha. There is no Radha. There is no Radha. Radha named. So, the Bhagavad. If you saw the Sanskrit Bhagavad, if you follow that Sanskrit Bhagavad, you will not find the Radha. But that Bhagavad addicted. Next, we see the Benimadhav Bhagavad. If you find the Benimadhav Bhagavad, we do not indicate the Radha. We do not understand about Radha, but they say, how they say, we cannot know. We see the Sri Krishna, his wife is Rukmini. If the Rukmini there, that is, if we see the books, we do not see their Radha. Jotila, Kutila, extra, they did not like it. However, I do not discuss about that. But we see who worshipped Vishnu, that is Kalki. It is Vaishnava. Vishakajug worshipped Vishnu, that is Narayana, that is Kalki. For this reason he is true Vaishnava, Punnatta Vaishnava. For this reason that Vishakajug worshipped and pranam that Kalki, that Kalki.